the Jedediah State Park.
Jedediah Redwoods State Park.
Jedediah Redwoods State Park. Looking at big trees. Whoa! We are camping at Mill Creek Campgrounds tonight. 30-ish minutes from Jedediah. Okay. First, we are going to walk on a trail. Which trail is it? Stalk. Crazy.
Look how smooth some of this heartwood is. I'm sure lots of people have rubbed it raw, but...
So this turns into this. Little baby turns into that. Look how tall this tree stands.
This
Log stands wide. It's literally taller than me. By like... it's taller than you by like an inch or two.
Well, because of the... yeah. This type of wood is what spurred the growth of Southern California for the first 80 years of its life. Damn!
I changed because I was starting to get very hot in that sweatshirt thing. My hair is a freaking disaster. Hi, what do you think of that?
Pretty neato.
Pretty neato. Lunchtime.
I don't know what that means.
Boy Scout tree trail. What do you mean? Tree growing out of tree on branch. On tree. Tree on tree on tree on tree. Doesn't look as big on camera.
No, for sure.
What you doing?
Me?
No, that tree.
Creeping.
Creeping?
That's what they look like when they grow on top of a stump. The stump deteriorates and then the roots just kind of have to slurp around it.
I feel like we've been walking for miles. Comparison. It doesn't look very big until a human stands next to it.
The difference between 5'11" and 6 foot. Maybe I would take maybe 10, 12 of us to reach around this thing.
Yeah, probably.
Leaf sniffer.
You freaking weirdo.
Oh my god, it's big over here too. I'm still not all the way through it.
Hello.
Look at the, oh, this is a couple trees grown together. Look at the furrow. Like, look at this. All the way up through here.
Cute little white flower things. I don't really know what they are. They're like flowers, but not. We just passed by people that said we've got like half an hour to the end.
Half a mile.
Half a mile. What the heck? That's what I meant to say. I don't know what happened there. We've done it. We reached the falls. So I survived the trail. Drew's playing Pokemon way down there. We are currently down at Crescent Beach Overlook. It's so pretty. This is home sweet home tonight.
Mountain maples, this is a spruce.
Learning trees with Bethany and Drew.
Redwoods over there.
The little trail thingy. This used to be a water source, I guess. Trail leads to what used to be a beach, apparently. There's like sand and everything, but no water. All right.
It's nature's roller grill.
Too much marshmallow.
It's possible. I better do a second one just to be safe. Scratch that third one just to be safe. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
I can't see shit.
It's kind of dark.
Can you?
It's better now.
Is this where you look at it?
Stop.
There I am. Okay, I see it.
We're gonna play hammer slugger.
So this is my nail. Go ahead and smoke it. Ready?
I'm gonna hit you.
Thank you for hesitating on that. That was a test. That shit. Fuck me running, dude.
Now you know how I feel.
Ooh. Oh, shit. That's most. No.
No, absolutely not.
You smoked that one. Props to you. Ah, psych. Ooh. What?
Free drink.
That's the one.
I hear you, man.
We're playing truth or dare and I have to take a lap around the camp.
Ooh.
Oh.
Best of luck to you. Where the? Where did you send that?
I felt it graze my arm. I'm not even kidding.
I know it did. Oh, here it is. I know it did. I saw it fly over here, you fucking...
It literally grazed my freaking arm. I could have been skewered.
Where did I put the eggs? Cool down and then we can shoot and scoop.
Thanks for the breakfast.
Breakfast.
I said thanks.
Bruh. What?